Alright, so this is just a brief how-to. Each one of the pictures is a different kind of logging parameter. Anything you were to log, you click logging, start log, but it's only going to log what is up in the parameters window. So if you're trying to log something for the way the engine's running, probably not a lot of information right here per se, so you maybe want to go to setup, sensors, cam and crank, advanced cam and crank T, which is the pickups. This would show us if there's any sync problems or where something's missing, whatnot. So if you're having that misfire issue, I would log this, which again was setup, advanced sensors, cam/crank sensor, and then the T. But I mean, for normal driving around, normal logging, maybe the tuning window. I think on your car, the O2 sensor number 2 is what we're logging, so you'd unlock it up here to add a new channel. You just press O, and then you can click down, and you do the O2 number 2. You just want to make sure that the air fuel shown on number 2 or number 1 matches what you're seeing on your gauge. And then you can add any other parameter you want, but there's a lot that are not relevant, and then you lock it. And then if you're happy with what's here, you need to save the template. So you save it. You name it Justin Supra Custom, and then you have to pick where it's going to be. So you'd add it. It's this guy. Just hit OK. And so now this is the custom template. So here's the old one, no O2. Here's the custom. It's got the O2. So, and then you do logging, like start log, and then drive the car around. I would, get in the habit of every couple minutes, whenever you're stopped, save the log with some relevant information, so that way it doesn't build up to be too large. And then if it's too large and you don't save it and the computer crashes, we've got nothing. So that's kind of what I would do. You said the idle is doing something funky. The idle one is this little tack, so you might want to log that a little bit. There's also idle advanced, so maybe that's the one to log. Either one would be better than nothing. But that's just the general rundown of how to do a PC log for your car. Anytime you click one of these little icons, it shows the different parameters. Just keep in mind, whatever the parameter is what the PC is going to log. So probably just stick with this tuning one, and you'll be good. Hopefully that helps.